Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about viscosity, viscometer and type of viscometer. So what is viscosity? What is viscometer and types of viscometer? The definitions, formula and units, introductions of viscometer, importance of viscometer, I will discuss in this video. So let us start with the viscosity. My friend, what is viscosity? You can see in this picture. This picture show you something. A fluid flow property. A fluid flow property. You know the fluid. You know the flow. These two English word is important. Internal property of a fluid that offer resistance to flow. It is measure of how easily a fluid can flow, and it can also be viewed as a resistance to shear forces, SHEAR, shear force. Between viscous, the fluid is higher the resistance. More viscous the fluid is higher the resistance. You can see and differentiate. This is honey, more viscous. This is water, less viscous. Now see the flow. This is more flow. This is less flow. So more viscous, higher the resistance. Less viscous, lower the resistance. Now formula unit. Formula: viscosity is equal to shear stress and shear rate. SI unit, the units of viscosity is pies, centipies. You can see this is the more viscous. It is not coming out. Now viscometer. What is the definition of viscometer? You know, my friend, a viscometer is an instrument used to measure the viscosity of a fluid. It is also known as viscosimeter. Viscosimeter. Viscometer only measure under one flow condition. So the measure of the resistance is taken by measuring the drag resistance during relative motion through the fluid. Now what is the importance? Measuring viscosity is important when considering process condition for materials and that need to be pumped or picked. It affects dipping and coating performance, which is particularly relevant to syrups and lotions. Viscometer can be used to monitor batch consistency and quality control. They are also used to characterize plastics. My friend, types of viscometer: capillary viscometer, falling and rising body apparatus, rotational viscometers. I will show you the capillary viscometer. These viscometers are suitable for only Newtonian system. What is meaning of Newtonians? I will show you. Capillary viscometer based on Poiseuille's law. This method of measurement measures time taken for defined quantity of fluid to flow through a capillary with known diameter and length, and is then compared with the time required to flow by liquid of known viscosity, usually water. You can see here, capillary. Now formula: if N1, eta 1, eta 2 are the viscosities of unknown and a standard liquid, and P1 and P2 are the density, or D1 and D2, or ρ1 and ρ2, and T1, T2 are the time required to the flow in the second, then this is the formula. So now types of capillary viscometer. You know, my friend, Oswald viscometer and suspended lever viscometer. This is the Oswald viscometer. Oswald viscometer, also known as YouTube viscometer, a device which is used to measure the viscosity of the liquid with a known density. And this device is named after Wilhelm Oswald. You can see here the labeling upper and lower, and this difference, and this is your capillary, this is the another opening of bulb A, and here is the bulb B. Now working principle. The viscometer is fitted with the liquid up to bulb A through first arm, then suck the liquid through the second arm to upper point C of the bulb B. This is one arm, this is another arm. Now allows the liquid to pass from upper mark C to lower mark D, and note the time of the flow from upper mark C to lower mark D. Now the viscosity of liquid can be calculated by using formula. You can see this formula. And I will hold suspended level viscometer. I am not going to discuss this one. Other type of capillary viscometer, you can see so many type of viscometer. Advances and disadvantages. Measure precise viscosities for many diverse fluid. No single tube is suitable for all viscosities, and there is the differences. Falling and rise body apparatus, falling sphere viscometer, rising sphere viscometer, so many types. Falling sphere viscometer, in next video I will discuss, and working principle and their formula. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. In our next video, I will discuss more about the viscometer and their measurements and their process. Thanks for watching.